Hello guys. Welcome with the last puzzle of this additional with extra puzzles and Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, August the 6th, 2021. The last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars, and for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits, and this will be a number 3208. All right, 3208. All right. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Do we have any single boxes here? Actually, I don't see any single boxes here. Dual boxes, I see here one dual box, more dual boxes. No dual boxes, only one. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? Triple boxes then. Next question, triple box. Do you see here any triple boxes? No. Can't see any triple boxes. Then, quadra boxes then. I see a lot of quadra boxes. Here, a 1. And if you see a quadra box in an L shape, in an L shape, the inside box is always a 5. Alright. Here a quadra box, it contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Here a quadra box, 3 quadra boxes. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some. I missed one. The L-shaped quadra box. Inside box, always a 5. So 4 quadra boxes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, this shape. Let me draw this. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Let me do those 2 boxes. Those red boxes are the same, has the same number. Okay. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Oh, wait. Do we have more? No, those are the 2 shapes. Then, how about this shape? The T shape or the T construction. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But also in this T shape, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only one T shape, yes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. And those 3 boxes are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, those are the 3 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. There are more, But in this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easier to fill the numbers. Yes, so next stage, let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Look, we have a 1 and a 2 there as a dual box. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 2. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 2. So what are the other pair? Other 2 numbers. The other pair is the number 3 and a 4. Yeah, the numbers 3 and a 4. All right. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 3. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be a 1 or a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, so we also have 3 and 4. Okay. We have a 3 and a 4 here. Double 3, double 4. That means these 2 boxes can be at 3 and a 4. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So what are the other 2 numbers? The other pair should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. In this quadra box, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 4 in this quadra box. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 3. Now we have 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. Okay. 3 and a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. This quadra box, we have a 1 here. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be a 2, can be a 4, can be a 1. So 1 digit left should be a 3. Okay, now we have a 3 there. This box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For the numbers 4 and 5, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Quadra box. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. Okay, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. So this box should be a 5. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot place any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 2 here. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 5? So what is left should be the 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 5. And that box should be a 2. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 2 and the 3. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. Cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 is left in this area for the number 5. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 5. Cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. And that box should be a 1. Alright. Now, those 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Quadra box. The 1 and 2 is already filled in. So the 3 and the 4 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4, alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Finished in 40 minutes. Alright. Quicker than I expected because I need 30 minutes or more for a 4-star Sudoku. And I'm faster than 50 minutes. That means it's a 1-star, not a 4-star, not a 3-star, not a 2-star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. I like this very much. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the Sudoku binaries, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the ladder Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's a weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.